Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. So, couple of days back, with my friend, we were debugging one of the issue. So, after 2 days debugging that issue, we identified that root cause of that issue. We need to apply multiple breakpoints in different programs and analyze that issue. As we know that the external breakpoints will be active only for 2 hours. I will show you that. Suppose if I add a breakpoint here, external breakpoint, you see here external breakpoint set and it was active for 2 hours. Similar way, the session breakpoint will be active until the session is active. If we log out here, then that the session breakpoint will also be deleted automatically by standard system. So if we are debugging one of the issue for several days, in my case 2 days, and I kept multiple 20 plus breakpoints in different programs. Right. So the first day we debugged it, not able to crack that issue. Again, the very next day, again we applied that multiple breakpoints in 20 plus places. We started the debugging. The challenge here is that the second day we need to apply 20 breakpoints in 20 different places or 20 different programs. So for that, we need to note down the program, which program, and we need to note down that line, which line that we are going to activate the breakpoint. Right, these many things we should take as a backup because the breakpoints won't active the next day, right? So we need to manually take the backup and again apply the breakpoints in multiple places, then start debugging that issue. Is it a very tiring, right? Say time consuming and definitely kill our time. And I was exploring this issue. Later, I came to know there is an option in debugger screen to save that 20 plus breakpoints. Not only 20 plus, whatever available breakpoints has been set, that can be exported into one file and saved in our local system. The next day, when we start the debugging very fresh, that point of time, we can simply load the file. Then all the breakpoints wherever we set, that will come back again. So that's what we're going to discuss today. So I am going to the T code BA02. Let me add one order number here. Apply the breakpoint now. Now debugger has been started now. Click enter now. Okay, I am debugging now. So let me add the breakpoint in multiple places. I will come back again. I'll go here. So here also I will add some more breakpoints. I'll add this. If you see in the breakpoints, watch points tab, several breakpoints has been active now. Correct? Now I want to use this same breakpoint when I start debugging next time. The next time might be tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and the same day. I can't again apply these many breakpoints, right? Not possible. That's why we are going to export these breakpoints into one local file. Let me tell you how to do that. In the menu, click the debugger. So here in the debugger session, we have an option called save. Click save. And here we have two options, database and file. Select the file and give the name for the session, for example test1, and select the breakpoints whatever we require. So we can select the layout, breakpoints, watch point, settings also we can export. As of now I go with breakpoints only. Now what I will do, I need to give the location where this file can be saved. Click this location and I'm going to save it in the desktop, and it will be test1 is the file name. Save this, continue, click allow. It is saying that debug session test1 saved successfully. If you see in my desktop, the file test1 has been saved here. Okay, now let me log out from this SAP session. Let me restart the debugger. I will log out from here. Now I logged out. I will log in now. Again I'll go to V02. I will add the odd number and activate the breakpoint by adding /h. Now click enter one more time, and if you see here in the breakpoint watch points tab, we see nothing here. Okay, now I will export the breakpoints from the local file. Again go to the menu, debugger, debugger session, and load. So last time we saved this time we will load this. Load, and select the radio button file. Now select the file from our local drive, local system. Select the file test1 and add the breakpoint now. Click this OK. Click allow, and you see all the breakpoints has been applied again. It's very useful, isn't it? Hope this video will be very helpful for you guys who are debugging the issues for several days. That's it from this video. We can catch up in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.